Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your PC. First, go to Start, All Program, Accessories, System Tools, Disk Cleanup, and Disk Defrag. See, I have the two on my desktop already, so I'm going to just use those. I guess I don't have Defrag, but I don't really use it, so Disk Cleanup's the only one you really need. And then, like these programs, I just downloaded. I'll give a list of them in the description and where I got them. And this is Disk Cleanup. It comes on your computer. You just open it up. It calculates how much room you can save. Spybot Search and Destroy. That is like almost a must-have. You want Spybot and AVG. I cannot stress how bad you want AVG. You want CCleaner. You really want CCleaner. And then you check every single box. Every one of them. And then you hit OK, and then you hit yes. And then it's cleaning up your C drive. See, I do this a lot, so it's not as... If it's like the first time you've ever done it, it could take up to an hour. Or two. But like, if you've done it a few times, it doesn't take that long. CCleaner. Analyze. Basically, it just deletes all your internet cookies and, you know. So, yeah, you people who use Internet Explorer, I'm not bashing you or anything, but Safari is much, much quicker, if you ask me. And it came out for Windows this summer, so you Windows users, I would get it. In this register, there's a registry, built-in registry cleaner on this, and it scans issues in your registry, which is really, really cool. And you just hit the scan button down here, and I have a missing MUI reference, so I just hit make sure that the boxes are checked, because like the first time you've done it, you're gonna have problems down. You have to scroll down to get them. Hit fix selected issues. Some people hit yes. I don't really care, so I just hit no. It fixes it either way. Then you hit close. I mean, there's other things, but I don't mess with. You know, uninstalls programs, disables startups. It like sets your computer back to a point that you want it to, and everything else is deleted, and that makes room on your drive. But that's what I use tune-up utilities for. Tune-up utilities is a really good program that I like to use to just like maintain my computer. This is probably like the slowest working program on my computer just because of how much it does. And it is very, very slow opening up, but once it's open, it's a very powerful program. It's at 100%, which is really good. I mean, that's rarely ever at 100, which is really good. Like, you can even use turbo, which I don't like to use, but I mean, it's just as quick, I think, but like all this works. Usually I'm about right here or here in this area. Right now, I'm perfect. When I first got the program, I was like down here in this area. But like now, I'm up her. Now, you just hit check maintenance settings, show details, you know, all that, and it'll scan stuff. the most must-have program that you need on your computer is an antivirus, and I think that is AD. Be a little pop-up down here, ignore that. This is, I last updated it about 7 o'clock today, and it is 1 a.m. Not scanned yet. I hate that because I did scan it like twice today, I think, because I'm on my computer a lot. I scanned it twice. It didn't even find an infection. It found it was a missing thing. It was BS. But you just hit scan whole computer, or scan now, and it just starts up. And I've got over like 800,000 files, so I don't want to go through. It's only on 3. It's about 300 right now. I don't really want to, so I'm just gonna hit stop because I've already done it a few times today. Just one-click maintenance kind of comes with the utilities. Like, instead of going through and individually optimizing, you can just like run through to quickly check your problems. And then like, oh yeah, this is for like maybe like, I think it works the best on Vista. You want to go to My Computer, right click Properties, and then go over to Hardware, or no, yeah, this, Settings, and then hit Adjust for Best Performance, and then, yes, there actually is a button that says Adjust for Best Performance. You do appearance, and you can do whatever is best for your computer, but I would always go with performance. I do not care how it looks, as long as it's quick. Hit apply, and then hit OK. And then it might ask you to reboot, but mine, I just put restart later and then do not show this message again, so it doesn't really show it anymore. Yeah. One more thing. If you go to Control Panel, you go to Add or Remove Programs. While it's loading up, it's got to populate the list. So please wait while the list is being populated. It's like, so here you can just go through and like, it says 7-zip used rarely, but I do use it when I download stuff and want to compress it and everything. Like, unless you really need it, why is it on there? So just delete it. Like, I deleted like 3 or 4 things earlier. Like, they were like toolbars and stuff. I don't need those. I really don't. Like, all these programs can speed up your computer by about 50%. And if you have a computer, or, not a computer, but like, if you have a Vista, I would really recommend like trying to pawn it or sell it or something and rolling back to an XP or upgrading to a Windows 7, because Vistas are not reliable whatsoever. Sorry, I know you don't know, but like, I'd go with the XP or the 7. XP is probably cheaper. The 7's probably gonna last longer. And that's all I have to say. So comment, rate, subscribe. This is my first video. Tell me how I did, and tell me what tutorials you want on, like how to, I don't know, you name it, and I'll try to find out how to do it and respond to your video. Alright, thanks, bye.